Yes, the weather's finally getting warmer and there's nothing better than using fresh vegetables. How about a dish with light and crispy texture and savory satisfaction? Sounds complicated? How about this? Asian fried calamari with mango fennel salad. Let's begin. First, we're going to revisit this fish sauce dressing from Brussels sprouts episode. If you haven't watched it, you can click this card or the recipe is written in the description. And we're going to give it a little bit of hype with Korean chili powder. You just need to mix 5 tablespoons of the fish sauce dressing and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Slice the Napa cabbage about ½ inch width. Remove the core of the baby bok choy. Separate the leaves one by one. Stack them and then you're going to cut these into about the same size as Napa cabbage. And let's prepare the fennel. Cut off the head, half it first. And the outer skin of the fennel is kind of too fibery and woody, so you need to peel this off. Especially when you're eating this raw. And cut this into quarter and remove the core. And slice it thin using your mandolin. Peel the mango and slice it using your mandolin, but it's gotta be a little bit thicker than the fennel because we're going to julienne it like this. And let's clean the calamari. You gotta separate the tentacles from the tubes. Now, if you can't source the whole calamari, it's okay. You can use previously frozen squid tubes or squid rings. But let me just show you how to clean it properly. Using your hands, you can easily pull this triangular head part. Make an opening at the end and slide your knife to open up the tube. Usually there's clear plastic-like film in there, so just scrape that off. And cut this in half lengthwise. This is skin side, usually shiny, and then the flip side is a little bit slimy. And you're going to lightly score these and cut these into bite-sized pieces. I cut mine in about 1-inch pieces. This is just breadcrumbs from the sourdough crouton that I made the other day. But you can use your panko or any other breadcrumbs or crouton, and then I toasted it with a little bit of olive oil and minced garlic, which will be a texture and flavor booster. Now it's time for deep frying the calamari. We're frying the calamari at 350 degrees Fahrenheit with a dredge of cornstarch. Make sure your bowl is large enough to toss the calamari around to cover all the surface. Now this is the exciting moment when you drop your food into the fryer. Calamari cooks very fast, so you gotta stay in front of it the whole time. Mine took me about 1.5 minutes to finish. Or you're gonna fry it until golden brown color. Once the calamari is done, you gotta toss it in a bowl with just a little bit of seasoning. Calamari is naturally salty, so just be a little bit careful. Now let's mix all the salad vegetables. Napa cabbage, shaved fennel slices, baby bok choy, and mango. Mix the veggies a little bit without the dressing, and then dress. And transfer this to a salad plate, stacking it as high as possible. Plate the fried calamari pieces on and around. And sprinkle generous amount of garlic breadcrumbs. This could work as a shared appetizer or decent entree-sized salad. If you enjoyed watching my video, I have a lot more to share with you. So please hit the like and subscribe and notification bell. I'll be back with more exciting recipes.